Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today I will help you out with making strength potions in Minecraft. And I'm gonna show you both the strength 1 and strength 2. So all you need is 3 water bottles, so we're gonna craft those right now. Then you wanna fill them all up with water. Then you wanna go to your brewing stand and put them all in. Put a blaze powder in this slot. And then some nether wart, which I'm going to get from outside. Just a second. My lovely nether wart farm. Gonna make our way back. Then we're gonna put in the nether wart, just like that. This will only take a second. And this is going to change them over into the awkward potion. Then what you want to do is put another blaze powder in the top slot. This will also only take a second. Just like that. This is strength 1, but now we're going to turn it into strength 2 with some glowstone dust. Gonna collect some gold while I'm at it. And the final thing we need to do is pretty much add some gunpowder, and that's it. So now we already have strength 2, but you'll see what happens in a second. Not bad. So now we have a splash potion of strength of 1 minute and 30 seconds, and it's strength 2. So that is ridiculously strong. I'll show it off in the next video. For this time, I hope this helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.